Teslas could go from being worth 600 or 700 billion now to being worth $4.5 trillion.
Welcome to my channel, Rudy Romo here. In this video, I will share some highly important comments made by Ron Barron about Tesla and SpaceX. Ron Barron's comments and credentials will be a prelude to my list of Tesla's latest catalysts that I will cover later in the video. If you're a Tesla investor or are thinking about investing in Tesla and or SpaceX, this interview by MarketWatch of Ron Barron is a must-see. I'll leave a link to the YouTube video below. Ron Barron runs Barron Capital and met Elon Musk in 2010 when Tesla went public. After following Elon and Tesla closely for 4 years, Ron decided to invest in Tesla in 2014. Ron Barron says that the Tesla investment has grown 20x and projects another 5x growth in the next few years. While Ron Barron thinks Tesla's market cap will grow to more than $4 trillion, Ron Barron believes that SpaceX has the potential to become even bigger than Tesla after it goes public. Barron Capital invests primarily in mutual funds because of their low-risk nature. But Ron Barron has made Tesla and SpaceX the exceptions because of their unprecedented potential by investing his own personal funds. If you don't know who Ron Barron is, I encourage you to research his record. Ron is on the MarketWatch 50 list of most influential people in markets. His investment style of buy and hold has been highly effective in today's market. Ron Barron is an American mutual fund manager and investor. He's the founder and CEO of Barron Capital, an investment management firm that manages over $45 billion in assets. Barron is known for his long-term investment horizon and his focus on growth stocks. He has been a vocal supporter of Tesla since 2014, and he is currently one of the company's largest individual shareholders. Barron has been a successful investor throughout his career. His Barron Growth Fund has returned an average of 20% per year since its inception in 1982. This is more than twice the return of the S&P 500 index over the same period. Barron is a respected figure in the investment community. He is known for his intelligence, his integrity, and his passion for investing. He's also a generous philanthropist and has donated millions of dollars to various charitable organizations. So when Ron Barron speaks, I think we should pay close attention. Before I list Tesla's current and future catalysts, I'd like to share these comments made by Gary Black from the X app. His comments follow CNBC's recent blizzard of negative comments about EV demand. I recommend you follow Gary on the X app, at GaryBlack00. Quote, CNBC is missing that Ford and GM EV problems are self-inflicted and have nothing to do with EV adoption, which is not slowing. Recent concerns that EV adoption has stalled are simply incorrect. And GM and Ford decisions to delay EV capacity expansion are due to their inability to manufacture EVs cheaply and internal mistakes in pricing EV versions of popular ICE vehicles, such as the F-150 Lightning, too aggressively, leading to surging inventories. Unquote. Now let's list the number of catalysts that should catapult Tesla stock to new all-time highs over the coming days, weeks, and months, not years. Number 1, Model 3 Highland launch in this fourth quarter. With the upgrades that Tesla has made to the Model 3 with the Highland iteration, Tesla is probably waiting for EPA and HTSA approval for the vehicle, as we are seeing on-road testing with the car. This is something we have seen with imminent vehicle releases like the Cybertruck, for example. This Model 3 Highland was spotted on Highway 280 in California, in between San Francisco and San Jose. Number 2, Cybertruck delivery. The Cybertruck delivery date is scheduled for November 30th, 2023. The Cybertruck has more than 2 million pre-orders, and even if the ramp-up is slow, each and every Cybertruck will serve as an add-on wheels. Ford and Chevrolet should be worried about the long-term future of their trucking business. Number 3, version 12 FSD release. Elon has set very high expectations for the new version 12 with its end-to-end high-quality video training. This is the version that could get Tesla to level 4 FSD. Number 4, OEM licensing deal in the fourth quarter. There are rumors that this may take place sometime before the end of 2023. I believe that Ford will be the first OEM to license Tesla's FSD. Why? Jim Farley and Elon seem to have a very good relationship, and Jim seems to be more grounded in reality than Mary Barra and the rest of Legacy Auto CEOs. Number 5. Optimus Bot production is set to start this month. Tesla continues to hire for the design and production of the bot here in Palo Alto and also for Giga, Nevada. Here's an opening shared by Alexandra Merce on the X app this week. Optimus will be a superior humanoid bot to the competition because of Tesla's vast data, supercomputing power, its nimbleness, dexterity, brain, and ability to learn end-to-end from high-quality video. Number 6, smart energy storage revenue. Tesla is now at the point where this segment has reached a higher profit margin than the EV segment, 24% versus 17%. The smart energy storage margins are expected to exceed 40% when both mega factories are fully ramped, Lathrop and Shanghai. Just this week, at Sawyer Merritt shared these photos of megapacks ready for shipment out of Lathrop worth $500 million. The smart energy segment is expected to be greater and more profitable than the EV segment. Number 7. It is widely expected that the Fed is done with interest rate hikes, and they could possibly start lowering rates in the first half of 2024. Tesla has the lowest known cost of goods sold on EVs and remains committed to continue to lower the cost of making an EV. Number 8. $7,500 EV instant rebate for fiscal year 24. Starting January 1st, EV buyers will get an immediate $7,500 discount upon their purchase as long as both the EV and the buyer meet the guidelines set by the IRS. Number 9. 4680 batteries yield improvement. The latest data shows scrap reduction of 40% and a production improvement of 40%. That trend is highly promising as it will further reduce cost of goods sold going forward. Number 10. Fed's pivot on interest rate fiscal year 24. As mentioned on Catalyst number 5, it is quite conceivable that the Fed may start lowering interest rates as early as the first half of 2024. That will be a welcome boost to EV sales. Number 11. Tesla's possible $10 billion share buyback for fiscal year 24. I'm not in the camp that thinks share buybacks are a good idea. I believe that the higher priority remains to reinvest wisely and preserve cash at least until we are out of this recession, even if we have a so-called soft landing. However, this could be a boost to the stock if it happens. Number 12, $25,000 compact for fiscal year 24-25. Even if Giga Mexico gets delayed, it is possible that Tesla may unveil the $25,000 compact prototype in 2024. That should be another plus for the stock. Number 13, Dojo as a service. Dojo supercomputer is expected to reach an astounding 100 exaflop computing capacity by October of 2024. Dojo supercomputer is yet another formidable artificial general intelligence catalyst with the potential to make Tesla the most successful and largest company in the history of mankind. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe so that YouTube algorithms will get it to more people. If you disagree with any of the points made, or if you have any suggestions on how to improve future videos, please comment below. The material and thoughts shared here are based on my own personal research and factual to the best of my knowledge. Please do your own research.